This is the testing for light safety systems. We are testing for the smoke fan system. Now we try to spray the smoke for these floors. We spray the smoke a lot here. We spray all the place for this for the hotel floors here. After we smoke, and then the signals, the smoke detector, it detects the smoke. Then the smoke fan are operated automatic collision brakes now. Look, it seems to be a real fire. We cannot look everywhere clearly because of the smokes, and the sound starting, the alarm is starting here. And now we wait to see how long that the smoke fan it can release all this smoke from these floors. It takes time around 5 minutes. Now we can see the room are getting clear now. The smoke fan, we have a lot of grill for floor by floors, but we set to operate on the floor which has the fire release, and the floor that no fire, the grill is not open. So this floor now, it is very clear now.